A lot of people that possess marijuana for personal use have been prosecuted for possession with the intent to sell, which is a felony and can carry up to 3 years of state prison. Unfortunately, I've seen that many overly zealous prosecutors and police officers have tried to build a case for possession of marijuana with the intent to sell, even though it's a modest amount of marijuana and the person only had the marijuana for their own personal use. For instance, in my experience, I've found that possession of a large amount of marijuana versus a small amount of marijuana, pounds versus an ounce of marijuana, can cause someone or law enforcement to view that individual as actually possessing marijuana with the intent to sell. I've also found that individuals that possess marijuana, but in smaller individual bags, or people that possess marijuana and also a large amount of money, or weapons, or with a tally of sales of marijuana or other kinds of drugs to other individuals, will lead law enforcement to believe that the marijuana that person possesses, regardless of the amount, was possessed for the intent to sell. I've been defending people accused of marijuana crimes in California for a long time. Now, I've seen that overzealous cops and overzealous prosecutors have wrongfully charged many people with possession with the intent to sell marijuana, which where many times those individuals had it for their own personal use and many times their own legitimate medical use. My team has had great success in helping individuals improperly charged with possession of marijuana with the intent to sell to help the cases get dismissed or reduced, and often helping our clients get their marijuana and the property that was seized returned to them. Now, the benefit to having your charge reduced from possession with intent to sell to simple possession is that you avoid a felony. Now, everyone knows that a felony will have a negative impact on your life, your whole life. It prevents you from doing a lot of things you can do now. And you'll also suffer less of a punishment. We've had circumstances where our clients are facing a felony with 3 years of state prison hanging over their heads, reduced to an infraction, which is not even a crime at all. It's like a traffic ticket, and it doesn't carry any jail time. If you're in this situation, call me, tell me your story, and let's see what I can do for you.